Okay, welcome back to Hensley's Adventures. I hope you've been enjoying these videos of me putting all this trailer together to create a trailer tent. Yeah, well. So this is a massive stage today. I'm bolting all these panels that's been sprayed all together on top of the trailer, and the tent is actually going to go on top today. So what I'm going to do now, before I start bolting everything together, I want to put this foam on, and what this foam's going to do, when this is the bottom side of the panel, I'm going to put this foam on, and when it clamps together, I'm hoping this is going to create a air and watertight seal, so there's going to be no water or air that can get inside here. So let's get cracking. If you do enjoy these videos, please subscribe, put a thumbs up, share and comment.
That was a brand new compressor, Richard.
I know.
What have you done to it?
I know. Look at it. Look at the dust.
Oh my goodness.
Could you clean that for me?
I thought you was cleaning that and I was cleaning the radiators.
Oh, can you do the cleaning of that as well?
I could do.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? Watch.
Well, I'm getting the trailer out.
You're getting the trailer out?
Yeah. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Quick then. This is the first time the trailer has seen daylight since Richard sprayed it. Here it comes. Wow. Try not to run me over with it.
No, try not to.
Richard's Mr. Muscles today.
Oh, don't know about that.
There he is, all sprayed up, all ready for bolting the rest of the trailer on top.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, the tent goes on there.
Yeah. Quick look, I want to have a look this way. I've done that bit of a problem.
Maybe you should turn the trailer the other way so nobody can see.
You can't, that angle you can't see. No, it's only...
I can't even see anything unless you point
I
it.
can see you in it.
Hello.
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 It's called a trailer.
It's got a little bit of over where the spray went over, yeah, but oh.
Pretty shiny though, right?
Yeah, it's not bad. Look, there's a bit of orange peel. It wouldn't be up to, should we say, professional
standards.
Yeah, professional standards, but at the end of the day.
Considering you've never sprayed painted.
Well, this is it. I never sprayed paint before.
Which is probably why the compressor's in such a mess. I'm sure somebody else would have a better solution to that. No.
He's tied up in here because this looks like a bit of a crime scene.
I'm not really quite sure what it looks like,
I know.
to be honest.
But look at that. Oh my
It's
god.
the tightest the garage has ever been, huh?
Well, it will be when we've finished.
The garage has ever been, should I say.
So, okay. I'm going to
Clean
get
up time.
Clean up time. So, we both got to do this.
Do what? No, you mean I'm going to do the horrible bits of cleaning
No,
in the
no,
nooks
no,
and
no,
crannies
but
what you made a mess, and you're just going to take a few hooks down.
Well, I'm going to go up the ladders, you know, I don't like heights.
It's only a little ladder, Richard.
It's big enough. Look, it's quite a high ladder.
No, it's not.
See, it is.
You've been on roofs and all sorts.
Yeah, well, okay, let's crack on.
Let's crack.
Go on, what did you say?
I said, you do realise, Hensley, if you come out, you've got to hold clean. You can put your tail in between all these prongs on the.
Oh, there's an idea.
radiators,
There's an
and
idea.
You can go with your tail.
There you go. You can
Put
then
your tail in there and go woo.
floss.
Butterfly.
Yeah, butterfly. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Okay, Ainsley? You good boy?
You good boy.
Yeah, you are. And you good boy.
That's it, that's the action.
Okay, let's start bolting this trailer back together again. First thing first, I'm going to do the mudguards. Have you noticed? Yes, you are right. I put it on the wrong way. Muppet. Or Muppet.
Suddenly looks big now it's all together.
Yeah.
You think?
I'm not even looking at it, just try to get as much done as I possibly can.
I've got no choice. By 4 o'clock the tent's going to be on. Pardon?
This is the future.
Well, it will be in a bit when the tent's on it.
First time it's been on.
First time the trailer's been on with all the sides on.